DataFinz is a no-code data integration platform built to connect anywhere, ingest any format, and automate integration for complete and efficient data flow. DataFinz connects with APIs, cloud and on-prem databases, data lakes, file storage, streaming platforms, LLMs, and enterprise systems, enabling broad and flexible integration. DataFinz supports REST API connections with multiple authentication methods including API key, OAuth 2.0 auth code, client credentials, password, refresh token, JWT, bearer token, basic, digest, and even no authentication. DataFinz supports a wide range of cloud databases including Snowflake, Google BigQuery, Amazon Redshift, Azure SQL, Databricks, and MongoDB Atlas, offering flexible cloud integration options. DataFinz connects with various on-premises databases such as PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, IBM DB2, Teradata, and MySQL, enabling robust integration across legacy systems. DataFinz integrates with major data lakes including Amazon S3, Azure Blob Storage, Azure Data Lake, Google Drive, and Google Cloud Storage, supporting diverse data environments. DataFinz connects to various file storage systems such as SharePoint, SFTP, FTP, FTPS, Unix, local servers, and OneDrive, enabling flexible file integration across environments. DataFinz supports LLM connections including OpenAI, DeepSeek, Hugging Face, and Gemini for advanced language model integration, and enables real-time data streaming by connecting directly with Kafka. Enterprise API connections in DataFinz include Amazon Document DB, Azure Cosmos DB, AWS, MongoDB, Azure Virtual Machines, and SharePoint, enabling secure access to critical enterprise systems. DataFinz connects with enterprise platforms including Salesforce, Google Analytics, Dynamics 365, HubSpot, Google Merchant Center, and Workday, supporting advanced business integration. To create a REST API connection, the user can navigate to configuration in the DataFinz interface, click on Connections, New Connection, and specify the name, description if necessary, connection type, request, host, bearer token, post body, and other required parameters. A hint option is also provided to guide the users through each value. Here, the user can either mention the bearer token directly or configure a password using Azure Key Vault or AWS Secret Manager and call it in the CREDS connection. Next, to call AWS services through API, the user can follow similar steps. Click on New Connection, specify the name, AWS services as the connection type, and other required parameters. The hint option helps users by giving an overview of what should be filled in each value. Now, to create a Snowflake connection, users can again click on New Connection, specify the name, Snowflake as the connection type, and upon referring to the hint, provide the other required parameters. For Microsoft SQL Server connection, users can again select New Connection, specify the name, Microsoft SQL Server as the connection type, and referring to the hint, provide all the other parameters. For Azure Data Lake Storage connection, following similar steps, a new connection can be created by specifying the name, Azure Data Lake Storage as the connection type, and other parameters with the help of the hint. To create an SFTP connection, again click on New Connection, provide the name, SFTP as the connection type, and other parameters. The process is the same for creating a new OpenAI connection. To create a Kafka connection, once again click on New Connection, specify the name, connection type as Kafka, and proceed to specify all the other required parameters. Creating a Salesforce connection also follows the same process by clicking on New Connection, specifying Salesforce as the connection type, and providing the other required parameters. To create a Dynamics 365 connection, click on New Connection, specify the name, Dynamics 365 as the connection type, and other required parameters. For a new Google Analytics Data API and Google Merchant connection, click on New Connection, provide the name, connection type as Google Analytics Data API or Google Merchant, and specify the other parameters. There is a search option provided for users to navigate to the required connection from the list of connections created. The clone option and the bulk connection options are provided too. Alternatively, from the dashboard, users can click on a specific connection to navigate to the list of connections.